Oh yeah, it's going to be legendary. We're going to talk about the senior referral business being a rock solid business. Now you're going to think I'm biased, and I am a little bit. I'm going to give you 4 areas to look at to make your own decision today. Okay, let's get into it. I'll give you 4 areas that you can prove this is a rock solid business. Here's the first one. I'm going to pull up on the screen. Franchise opportunities. Now, we look at the franchise opportunities. There's a lot of franchises you can look at. All right. This is one, Senior Care Authority. There's Care Patrol. There's Oasis. But let's look at this one. Not to make one better than the other, but there is a $50,000 minimum cash requirement to get in this industry. I've said on previous videos, you have to understand that either know the process, know how this business works, or you have to buy a franchise. Or you can just jump into the academy and pay a fraction of that cost. Oh, baby. That's what I would be looking at. But look at this. Senior Care Authority, not only have to have $50,000 up front, there's going to be monthly fees that you're going to have to pay. And to qualify, you need a net worth required of $150,000. So if you're not already currently making money, it's like other companies. I've seen other franchises out there. They want to see what you've done already. And you cannot be working minimum wage right now. You cannot be barely getting by or have a bad credit score, no money in the bank, those type of things to qualify for these franchises. But you can qualify for the Senior Referral Academy at $4,000. You know what? I'm always offering a 30% discount to that. Now, some of you have already seen these videos going, wow, Matt, that's more than what I spent, because it keeps going up. Not only the academy, but these franchises and other areas. So that's the first area I want you to look at to prove this is a rock solid business, is the franchises are so expensive. If it was not a business, you can make a lot of money. These franchises would be down to $10,000, $8,000, $5,000, so forth. But $50,000 and up, and over a 5-year period of time, you're probably going to end up spending about $150,000. The second area I want to talk about is the growing population of seniors. It's very different today than it was way back when. We can look at this here from Statistica. You have 8% in 1950, people 65 years and older lived in this country. Fast forward, go up this line here in 2020, 16.9% now are considered seniors in this country. And they're projecting as you go as high as 2050. Don't know if any of us will be around by then, but we might. But I'm going to give you, you could be. But 22% of the population, I mean, 1 out of 5 people will be considered 65 years or older. Look at the trend line. Does this look like something that would be indicative of a growing business, or is this something that's going down? So you get in today and you're kind of like, I don't want to do 5-10 years from now. No, this is a growing industry. Okay, the first area we talked about was franchise opportunities. How much they are validates this industry. The second one is the senior population continues to grow. The trend line's going up. And the third area I want to talk about is the senior housing continues to grow. You look at this market, you can go probably up and down your highway, your neighborhood maybe, you see senior living communities sprout up all over the place. And there's a reason for it. So let's look at this. Here's the volume of senior housing communities in the United States. Okay, the first quarter of 2020, current information. You scroll down, you'll see here in the Southeast to South Central, all in between. Look at the Southeast. If you're in one of these states here, Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Kentucky, North Carolina, my home state, Virginia, all in this area, there's 3,700 senior housing communities. Again, and this is documented first quarter 2021. A great opportunity, and it's only growing because, as we talked about previously, the population of seniors continues to grow. So the communities that we have to accommodate the seniors, this is just another reason to validate that this industry is a rock solid business, and you need to get involved in it. So here you got 3,700 senior housing communities in this one particular area. You go to the West, where I'm at in California. We're expanding to Vegas. You're going to look at 3,440 of these communities all through these areas. So I teach you in the academy how to get contracts with these communities and what you need to do to be successful and help and assist seniors to get into the communities. So this is the third reason why this is a rock solid business. Okay, and the fourth reason why this is a rock solid business, as I said earlier, you remember the franchises, right? They were expensive. And then you can look at the academy. That has gone up a little bit over time. So things continue to increase, and the rates in these communities continue to go up. In any state, any area you go into these communities, is always this mathematical equation: rent plus care equals cost. So as the rents continue to rise in your area, the cost of real estate continues to rise in your area. Same with these communities. The rent goes up, the care can maintain this, the care can be the same or continue to go up, and then the cost will be a lot more. So the good news is, the fourth reason is, as these rates continue to climb, you make a percentage off the move-ins, and I get into that into the academy. Guess what? The higher the cost, you make a greater percentage of that amount. That's the fourth reason why it's a rock solid business. If you want to know more about this industry, the Senior Referral Business, click the link below. Watch a free 1-hour webinar about this industry. I interview someone that's interested at the time. We go through, again, 60 minutes of power-packed information, or you can click next to it, also on the same site, seniorhomebusiness.com, and you can purchase a course. It's a 6-lesson course. Abbreviated, small lessons, but nevertheless, get your feet wet for $19.99. And I look forward to seeing you in the Senior Referral Academy.